वेलकम टू बेस्ट स्टूडेंट टैलेंट शो। दोस्तों महेश कुमार, आप देख रहे हो बेस्ट स्टूडेंट टैलेंट शो। बेस्ट स्टूडेंट टैलेंट शो के मेगा ऑडिशन के स्पीच कंपटीशन को लेकर आज हमारी टीम पहुंची है श्री चैतन्य टेक्नो स्कूल पलवल में। देखने वाला रहेगा कैसा रहने वाला है आज श्री चैतन्य टेक्नो स्कूल के बच्चों का स्पीच कंपटीशन। जिस भी बच्चे की स्पीच आपको अच्छी लगे उसके लिए वोट जरूर करें। केवल सब्सक्राइबर ही वोट कर सकते हैं, तो पहले हमारे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें, उसके बाद वोट करें। जिस बच्चे की जितनी ज़्यादा वोट होंगी उस बच्चे की अपनी क्लास में उतनी अच्छी रैंक होगी, और जिस बच्चे की जितनी अच्छी रैंक होगी उस बच्चे की अपनी क्लास में उतनी अच्छी पोजीशन होगी। आइए देखते हैं कैसा रहने वाला है श्री चैतन्य टेक्नो स्कूल पलवल के बच्चों का स्पीच कॉम्पिटिशन।
Morning everyone, my name is Prince. My class is 5th B class. My school name is Sri Chaitanya Techno School. My topic is tables of 2 series. 22 1 is 22, 22 2 is 44, 22 3 is 66, 24 is 88, 22 5 is 10, 22 6 is 32, 22 7 is 5 is 54, 22 8 is 76, 22 9 is 98, 22 10 is 220, 32 1 is 32, 32 2 is 64, 32 3 is 96, 32 4 is 128, 32 5 is 60, 32 7 6 is 92, 32 7 is 224, 32 9 is 288, 32 10 is 320, 42 1 is 42, 42 2 is 84, 42 3 is 126, 42 4 is 168, 42 5 is 210, 42 6 is 256, 52 42 7 is 200, 96, 42 8 is 336, 42 9 is 378, 43 520. Thank you. Have a nice day.
Morning all of you. My name is Alya. I study in 1st class. My school name is Sri Chaitanya Techno School, branch Palwal, state Haryana. My topic is verb. A verb is a word that expresses action, state of being. Example: Ram is dancing. Dancing is a verb. Thank you.
Hello everyone, my name is Achal from grade 5th. I read in Sri Chaitanya Techno School, branch Palwal, state Haryana. So today my topic is heart. First I explain parts of heart. Heart are divided into 4 chambers. This is right atrium. This is right ventricle. This is left atrium. This is left ventricle. So now I introduce functioning of heart. First, blood come to right atrium, then it go to right ventricle, then it go to lungs. The blood is oxygenated, then it come to left atrium, then it come to left ventricle, then it come to our body part. Thank you.
Good morning everyone. I am Chavi, grade 5th A. I read in Sri Chaitanya Techno School, branch Palwal, state Haryana. Topic is noun. Noun is a person, place, animal or a thing. It's called noun. Example: Anika is playing. Anika is a noun. Thank you.
Good morning everyone. My name is Annie from grade 5th A. I read in Sri Chaitanya Techno School, branch 1, state Haryana. Now I will going to explain function of brain. First, brain is the most complex, important, powerful organ. It's a grayish pink and weight approximately 300 to 1200 to 1300 grams, and it measures parts like cerebrum, cerebellum, and medulla oblongata, etc. Now, cerebellum. The cerebellum is largest part of the heart. And cerebellum is thinking part of the heart. It helps in remembering, reasoning, judgment, and problem solving. And therefore it is considered to
seat of insolence. Now, cerebellum. Cerebellum is the second largest part of the heart, much smaller than cerebrum. Coordinate voluntary muscle functions are such as standing, dancing, walking, running, etc. Medulla. Thank you.
सुप्रभात, मेरा नाम रिद्धि है। मैं कक्षा 5वीं की छात्रा हूँ। आज मैं आपके सामने कुछ मुहावरे प्रस्तुत करना चाहती हूँ। अंगूठा दिखाना, साफ इनकार कर देना। राधा ने प्रिया से कलम मांगी, प्रिया ने राधा को अंगूठा दिखा दिया। आंखें खुलना, ज्ञान आना, जब उसके दोस्त ने उसका सारा कुछ लूट लिया तब उसकी आंखें खुली। 1 और 1 11 होना, एकता में बल, जब किसान के चारों बेटों ने मिलकर खेती की तो अच्छी फसल हुई। कहा जाता है कि 1 और 1 11 होते हैं। कान का कच्चा होना, किसी की भी बात पर भरोसा कर लेना। राधा को देखकर ऐसा लगता है कि वह किसी की भी बात पर भरोसा कर लेती है, वह तो कान की कच्ची है। होना, भाग जाना, चोर पुलिस को देखकर 9 2 11 हो गए। नाक में दम करना, परेशान करना, शरारती बच्चों ने शिक्षिका की नाक में दम कर रखा है। आस्तीन का सांप, धोखेबाज मित्र, उसे अपना दोस्त मानते हो, वह तो तुम्हारी बर्बादी चाहता है, वह तो आस्तीन का सांप है। कोलू का बैल, दिन रात परिश्रम करने वाला। रमेश अपने बच्चों की पढ़ाई के लिए कोलू के बैल की तरह काम करता है। घी के दिए जला, खुशियां मनाना, जब उसके माता पिता ने सुना कि उसके बेटे को सरकारी नौकरी मिल गई है तो उन्होंने घी के दिए जलाए। धन्यवाद।
Good morning everyone, my name is Ansa. I read in 5th standard. My school name is Sri Chaitanya Techno School, branch Palwal, state Haryana. Now I will speak 30 elements: hydrogen, helium, lithium, beryllium, boron, carbon, nitrogen, oxygen, fluorine, neon, sodium, magnesium, aluminium, phosphorus, sulfur, chlorine, argon, potassium, calcium, sandrium, titanium, vanadium, chlorine, manganese, iron, cobalt, nickel, copper, zinc. Thank you.
Everyone, my name is Shan from class 5th B. I read in Sri Chaitanya Techno School from class 5th B. Today I speak 21 and 31 table. 21 1 ja 21, 21 2 ja 42, 21 3 ja 63, 21 4 ja 84, 21 5 ja 105, 21 6 ja 126, 21 7 ja 147, 21 8 ja 168, 21 9 ja 189, 21 10 ja 210, 31 31 1 ja 31, 31 2 ja 62, 31 3 ja 93, 31 4 ja 124, 31 5 ja 155, 31 6 ja 186, 31 7 ja 217, 31 8 ja 368, 31 9 ja 279, 31 10 ja 310. Thank you.
Good morning everyone, my name is Kushik. I read a 5th class. My my topic is tables. 21 1 ja 21, 21 2 ja 42, 21 3 ja 63, 24 ja 84, 21 5 ja 105, 21 6 ja 126, 21 7 ja 147, 21 8 ja 168, 21 189, 21 10 ja 210, 31 1 ja 31, 31 2 ja 60, 31 1 ja 31, 31 2 ja 62, 31 3 ja 93, 31 4 ja 124, 31 5 ja 155, 31 6 ja 186, 31 7 ja 271, 31 8 ja 240, 241, 248, 31 9 270, and 31 10 310.
बात, मेरा नाम बैंक है, मैं 5वीं का छात्र हूँ। मैं श्री चैतन्य टेक्नो स्कूल से हूँ। आज मैं आपके सामने दोहे प्रस्तुत करने जा रहा हूँ। मेरे दोहे हैं: काल करे सो आज करे सो, पल में पर लोहे की भगुरी करे कब। हमें आज का काम कल पर नहीं छोड़ना चाहिए, क्योंकि कल का कोई भरोसा नहीं है। दूसरा, गुरु गोविंद दो खड़े काके लागू पाए, बलिहारी गुरु आपने गोविंद जी बताए। आपके सामने गुरु गोविंद खड़े हैं, आप किसके पैर छुओगे? धन्यवाद गुरु, आपने भगवान को बड़ा बता दिया। तीसरा, बड़ा हुआ तो क्या हुआ, जैसे पेड़ खरूद पंथी को छाया नहीं, फल लागे अति दूर। बड़े होने का कुछ फायदा नहीं है, क्योंकि जैसे खजूर का पेड़ क्योंकि किसी को छाया नहीं दे सकता और फल भी बहुत दूर लगते हैं। धन्यवाद।
Everyone, I am Ujashvi from grade 5th A. So, I read in Sri Chaitanya Techno School. So, today's my topic is oviparous animals and viviparous animals. Oviparous animals, they reproduce by laying eggs, example ants, etc. Viviparous animals, they reproduce by giving birth to young ones, example lion, tiger, etc. Thank you.
Everyone, I am Manika from grade 5th A from Sri Chaitanya Techno School, branch Palwal, state Haryana. Now, I will locate the deserts on world map. Here is Thar Desert. Here is Gobi Desert. Here is Sahara Desert. Here is Kalahari Desert. Here is Atacama Desert. And here is Victoria Desert. Thank you. Have a nice day.
My name is Chimpy from grade 5th B. My school name is Sri Chaitanya Techno School, branch Palwal, state Haryana. Today's my topic is waste. The useless and unwanted material that is caused by humans is called waste. Waste have 3 types: liquid waste, solid waste, gaseous. Example of liquid waste: chemicals. Example of solid waste: plastic bags. Example of gaseous waste: polluted air. Thank you.
My name is Shiva. I am from class 5th A, Sri Chaitanya Techno School, branch Palwal, state. Today I will recite the table of 23 and 33. 23 1 is 20, 22 2 is 46, 3 is 69, 23 4 is 92, 23 5 is 115, 23 6 is 138, 23 7 61, 23 8 is 184, 23 9 is 207, 23 10 is 230. 33 1 is 33, 33 2 is 66, 33 3 is 99, 33 4 is 132, 33 5 is 165, 33 6 is 198, 33 7 is 231, 33 8 is 264, 33 9 is 297, 33 10 is 330. Thank you.
Morning all of you. My name is Lavya from grade 5th. I read in Sri Chaitanya Techno School, branch Palwal, state Haryana. Today's noun. Noun is a person, place, animal or thing is called noun. Example, Ram is going to Agra on Sunday. Ram is person and Agra is place. Types of noun: common noun, collective noun, abstract noun, material noun. Thank you.
Morning everyone, my name is Kalsi from grade 5th, branch Palwal, state Haryana. Today my topic is desert. Desert is a region which generally receives 10 inches of rainfall in a year. Deserts are of 2 types. They are hot and cold desert. I am tell some name of desert. Hot desert: Sahara Desert, Ari Desert, Thar Desert. Cold desert: Patagonian Desert, Siberia Desert, Turkestan Desert. Thank you.
मेरा नाम विहान है। मैं कक्षा 5वीं का छात्र हूँ। मैं श्री चैतन्य टेक्नो स्कूल से हूँ। आज मैं आप सबके सामने दोहे करना चाहता हूँ। मेरा पहला दोहा है: काल करे सो आज करे सो अब, पर में परले होगी अर्थ। हमें आज का काम कल पर नहीं टालना चाहिए, क्योंकि कल का कोई भरोसा नहीं है। मेरा दूसरा दोहा है: बड़ा हुआ तो क्या हुआ, जैसे पेड़ खजूर पंथी को छाया नहीं, फल लागे अति दूर। अर्थ, ऐसे बड़े होने का किसी का कोई फायदा ही ना हो। मेरा तीसरा दोहा
आए गुरु गोविंद दोहु खड़े आके लागू पाए बलिहारी बलिहारी गुरु आपने गोविंद दियो बताए। अर्थ गुरु और परमात्मा एक मिल जाए तो मैं पहले गुरु को प्रणाम करूंगा, बाद में परमात्मा को। शुक्रिया।
Everyone, my name is Preet. I am from grade 5th B. My school name is Sri Chaitanya Techno School, branch Palwal, State Haryana. Today I am decide the table of 25 and 55. 25 1 is 25, 25 2 is 50, 25 3 is 75, 25 4 is 100, 25 5 is 125, 25 6 is 150, 25 7 is 175, 25 5 8 is 200, 25 9 is 25, 25 10 is 55 1 is 55, 55 2 is 110, 55 3 is 165, 55 4 is 200, 220, 55 5 is 275, 55 8 is 300, 30 55 8 is 3 55 8 is 300, 18 5 55 9 55 8 is 400, 440, 55 9 is 400, 95 55 10 is 550. Thank you.
My name is Manthan. I am from grade 5th Sri Chaitanya Techno School, branch Palwal, State Haryana. Today I will recite formulas of pure mathematics part A, part B, and applied mathematics part A, part B. Pure mathematics part A. Numbers theory, number system. Close the property of addition A plus B, close the property of subtraction A minus B, close the property of multiplication A, close the property of division A divided by B. Commutative property of addition A plus B equals to B plus A. Commutative subtraction A minus B equals to B minus A. Commutative property of multiplication A into B equals to B into A. Commutative property of division divided by B is not equals to B divided by A. Additive identity, if A plus 0 equals to A, then 0 is additive identity of A. Multiplicative identity, if A into 1 equals to 1 into A equals to A, then multiplicative identity of A. Additive inverse, if A plus minus A equals to minus A plus A equals to 0, then minus A is additive inverse of A. Multiplicative inverse, if A into 1 upon A equals to 1 upon A into A equals to 1, then 1 upon A is multiplicative inverse of A. Distributive law, A into whole of B plus C equals to AB plus AC. LCM into HCF is equals to product of two numbers. Dividend rule, dividend is equals to divisor into quotient plus remainder. Logarithm, zero rule, log 1 to the base is B is equals to 0. Fractions, division fractions, adding fractions, A divided by B plus C divided by D equals to A minus BC divided by AD plus BC divided by BD. Fraction, AD minus BC divided by BD. Multiplication fractions, A divided by B into C divided by D is equals to AD into AC divided by BD. Arithmetics, commercial maths. Loss is equals to cost price minus selling price. Profit is equals to selling price minus cost price. Simple interest, PTR divided by 100. Conversion from kilometer per hour to meters per second and meters per second to kilometer per hour. X kilometer per hour, X into 5 divided by 80 meters per second. X meters per second, X into 18 divided by 5 kilometer per hour. Relation between speed, time and distance. Speed is equals to distance upon time. Distance is equals to speed into time. Time is equals to distance divided by time. Distance upon speed. Geometry, triangle area. Area of triangle is equals to half of B into S square units. Equilateral triangle area. Area of equilateral triangle is equals to 3 divided by 4 of A square unit. Perimeter of equilateral triangle is root 3A units. Rectangle. Area of rectangle is equals to L into B square units. Perimeter of rectangle is equals to L into B, L 2 into L plus B square units. Square. Area of square is equals to A square unit. Perimeter of square is equals to 4 units. Cube. Volume cube is equals to A cube cubic unit. Exponents. Exponents. A to power of exponents. algebraic exponents. A to the power of n into b to the power of m is equals to a into b whole to the power of m. A to the power of m into b to the power of n is equals to a to the power of m plus n. A to the power of m divided by b to the power of m is equals to a divided by b whole to the power of m. A to the power of m divided by a to the power of n is equals to a to the power of m minus n. Sum of roots a to the power of m whole to the power of n is equals to a to the power of m into n. A to the power of minus n is equals to a to the power of is equals to a to the power of n is equals to 1 upon a to the power of n. Sum of roots alpha plus beta is equals to minus b upon a. Product of roots alpha into beta is equals to c upon a. Matrices or matrices. Zero null matrix A is equals to 0 0 0 0. Symmetric matrix of Aij is equals to matrix of Aji. Skew-symmetric matrix of Aij is equals to minus of matrix of Aji. Transpose of A transpose whole transpose is equals to A where A is an matrix. A plus or minus B whole transpose is equals to A plus or minus A transpose plus or minus B transpose where A and B are of same order. K A whole transpose is equals to K into A transpose where K is an scalar. A B whole transpose is equals to B transpose A transpose where A and B are of conformable matrices. Orthogonal matrix A into A transpose is equals to A transpose into A. Combinations, progressions, nth term, arithmetics nth term. A plus whole of n minus 1 into d. Arithmetic mean am of b is equals to am of b is to 1 a plus b divided by 2. Nth term of gp. As a n is equals to a into r to the power of n minus 1. Sum of n terms for r is equals to 1 in gp. Sn is equals to n into a. Combinations, permutations. If n is a non-zero integer, then 0 factorial is equals to 1. Permutations npr is equals to n factorial divided by n minus r whole factorial for 1 less than equal to r I less than equal to m less than 1 less than equal to r less than equal to m. Combinations, circular permutations, n minus 1 whole factorial. Combinations r is equals to ncr is equals to nc s minus r. Things taken any of time 2 to the power of n. Things taken at least one time 2 to the power of minus 1. Part B, associated number associated property of addition a plus whole of b plus c equals to whole of a plus b plus c. Associated property of negation a into whole of b into c is equals to whole of a into b into c. Associated property of subtraction a minus whole of b minus c is not equal to whole of a minus b minus c. Associated property of addition a divided by whole of b divided by c is not equal to whole of a divided by b divided by c. Complex number Pythagorean multiplants a square plus b square is equal to c square logarithm. Product rule log base b of m into n is equal to f m plus log base b of n. Quotient rule log base b of m divided by log base b of m divided by log base b of n. Power rule log base b of m power k is equal to k into log base b of m. Identity rule log base b of b is equal to 1. Inverse property of logarithm log base b of b power k is equal to k. Inverse property of exponent log base b of b power log base b of k is equal to k. Log base b of x is equal to log base c of x divided by log base c of b. Division fractions a divided by b divided by c divided by d is equal to a divided by b divided by c divided by d divided by b into d divided by c is equal to ad divided by bc. Irrational numbers. Square of a into b is equal to square root a into square root b. Square root of a divided by b is equal to square root a divided by square root b. Whole of square root a plus square root b into whole of square root a minus square root b is equal to a minus b. Whole of a plus square root b into whole of a minus square root b is equal to a square minus b. Square root a plus square root b whole square is equal to a plus 2 square root A into B plus B. Arithmetics. Discount is equals to MD divided by 100. Geometry. 2D shapes. Height of equilateral triangle is equals to root 3 divided by 4 root 3 divided by 2 of A's units. Isosceles right angle triangle area of isosceles right angle triangle is equals to half of A square unit. Hypotenuse of isosceles right angle triangle is equals to root 2 of A units. Scalene triangle. Area of scalene triangle is equals to square root of S into whole of S minus A into whole of S minus B into whole of minus C square units, where S is equals to A plus B plus C whole divided by 2. Quadrilateral. Quadrilateral is equals to half of D into whole of H1 plus H2. Thank you.
Good morning everyone, my name is Sri Chaitanya Techno School. Today I will recite the formulas of pure mathematics part B from 1 to 108. Number theory, number system, associative proposition A plus whole of B plus C is equals to whole of A plus B plus C. Associative property of subtracting A minus whole of B minus C is not equals to whole of A minus B minus C. Associative property of multiplication A into whole of B into C is equals to whole of A into B into C. Associative property of division A divided by B into C divided by D is not equals to whole of A divided by B divided by C. Complex number, Pythagorean triplets, A square plus B square is equals to C square. Logarithm product rule, log base B of m divided m into n is equals to log base B of m into log base B of n. Coefficient rule, log base B of m divided by n is equals to log base B of m minus log base B of n. Power rule, log base B of m power k is equals to k into log base B of m. Identity rule, log base B of B is equals to 1. Inverse property of logarithm, log base B of B power k is equals to k. Inverse property of exponent, B power log base B of k is equals to k. Change of base, log base B of B, log base B of x is equals to log base C of B log base C of x divided by log base C of B. Fractions, division fraction, A divided by B divided whole divided by C is equals to A divided by B into C divided by D is equals to A divided by B into D divided by C is equals to AD divided by BC. Equation divided by B into D divided by C is equals to, then AD is equals to BC. Irrational numbers, laws of radical, square root A into B is equals to square root A into square root B, square root A divided by square root A divided by B is equals to square root A divided by square root B. Square root A plus square root B into whole, square root A minus B is equals to A minus B. A plus square root B into whole, A minus square root B is equals to A square minus B. Square root A plus square root B whole square is equals to A plus 2 root A B plus B. Arithmetics, commercial math, discount D percentage is equals to discount percentage is equals to MD divided by 100. Geometry, 2D shapes, area, height of equilateral triangle is equals to root 3 divided by A units. Isosceles right angle triangle A is equals to half A square units. Hypotenuse of isosceles right angle triangle is equals to root 2 into A units. Scalene triangle A is equals to under root S into S minus A into S minus B into whole S minus C square units, where S is equals to A plus B plus C divided by 2. quadrilateral area of quadrilateral is equals to half d1 half h1 into whole d1 plus d2 square units. Trapezium area of trapezium is equals to a plus b divided by 2 each unit square units. Parallelogram area of parallelogram is equals to b into h square units. B into h square units. Square area of square diagonal of square is equals to diagonal of square 2 into a units. Rhombus area of rhombus is equals to half d1 into half of d1 into d2 square units. Circle area of circle is equal to pi r square units. Semicircle area of semicircle is equals to half pi r square units. Half pi r square units. Perimeter of semicircle, perimeter of circle 2 pi r square unit, 2 pi r units. Area of ring is equals to pi whole r plus r into whole r minus r square units. 3D shapes. Cuboid area of cuboid is the lateral surface area of cuboid is equals to 2 whole L plus B square unit. Total surface area of cuboid is equals to 2 into whole L plus LB plus BH plus HL square units. Volume of cuboid is equals to LBH cubic unit. Cube area of cube total lateral surface area of cube is equals to lateral surface area of cube is equals to a square units. Total surface area of cube is equals to 6a square units. Base pyramid area of base pyramid is equal to b square units. B square units. Cylinder the curved surface area of cylinder is equals to the curved surface area of cylinder is equals to pi r 2 pi r h units. The total surface area of cylinder is equals to 2 pi r whole r plus h square units. Volume of cylinder is equals to pi r square h cubic unit. Cone curved surface area of cone is equals to pi r L square unit. Total surface area of cone is equals to pi whole r plus L square units. Volume of cone is equals to volume of cone is equals to 1 divided by 3 cube r square h cubic unit. Sphere the curved surface area of hemisphere is equals to 4 pi r square units. The total surface area of sphere is equals to 4 pi r square units. Volume of sphere is equals to 4 divided by 3 pi r cubic unit. So hemisphere area of the curved surface area of hemisphere is equals to 2 pi r square unit. The total surface area of hemisphere is equals to 3 pi r square unit. Volume of hemisphere is equals to 2 divided by 3 pi r cubic unit. Prism. The volume of prism to base area into height cubic unit. Coordinate or analytical geometry. The distance between the 2 points under root s1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. The midpoint formula. x1 plus x2 divided by 2 comma y2 minus y1 y2 plus y1 divided by 2. Section formula. Internally x mx2 plus nx
nx1 divided by nm plus n, comma n my2 plus ny1 divided by m plus n. Section formula externally. mx2 minus nx1 divided by n minus m minus n, comma n my2 minus ny1 divided by n m minus n. The area of circle is equal to half of modulus x1 plus whole of y2 minus y3 y2 minus y3 plus x2 whole of y1 y3 minus y1 plus x3 whole of y2 minus y1. The equation of line slope, the slope of line in 2 points. M is equals to tan theta is equals to y1 minus y1 minus y2 divided by x1 minus x2. Thus equation of line point slope form is equals to y1 minus y m is equals to m whole of x minus x1. Intercept form x divided by a plus y divided by b is equals to 1. Two line intersecting a1 divided a2 is not equals to b1 divided b2. Parallel and distance a1 divided a2 is equals to b1 divided b2 is not equals to c1 divided c2. Coincidence a1 divided a2 is equals to b1 divided b2 is equals to c1 divided c2. Circle the center of the circle minus g comma minus f. The equation of circle x square plus y square is equals to r square. The standard equation of this circle is equals to the standard equation x minus h whole square plus y minus k whole square is equals to r square. The radius of the circle square root a f square g square plus f square minus c. The general form of this circle. Thank you.
Good morning everyone, my name is Garva. I read in 5th class. I study Chaitanya Techno School, branch Palwal, state Haryana. Today I will recite the formulas of pure mathematics, applied mathematics part A. Sets theory. Union of two disjoint set n of a union b is equals to n of a plus n of b. And union of two sets n of a union b is equals to n of a plus n of b minus a intersection b. And intersection of two set n of a intersection b is equals to n of s n of b minus n of a union b. D laws of union. A union b whole dash is equals to a union b union dash b intersection dash whole dash. Intersection laws of intersection. A union b is equal whole dash is a intersection b whole dash is equals to a dash whole union b dash. Trigonometry transformation. Trigonometry ratios. Sine is equals to opposite side divided by hypotenuse. Cos is equals to adjacent side divided by hypotenuse. Is a negative relation between sine and cos. Sine square a plus cos square a is to 1. relation between 10 and sec square a minus 10 square a is equals to 1. Negative angle sin minus theta is equals to minus sin theta. Cos minus theta is equals to cos theta. Formula sin of 180 degree minus theta is equals to sin theta. Cos of 180 degree minus theta is equals to minus cos theta. Cofunctions formula sin of 360 degree plus theta is equals to minus sin theta. Cos of 360 degree plus theta is equals to 360 degree plus theta is equals to minus cos theta. Range is equals to maximum value minus minimum value. Calculus limit x tends to 0. Sin x divided by x is equals to 1. Sin x cos x limit x tends to a. Cos x divided minus cos x divided by x is equals to 1 is equals to 0. Constant differentiation with constant d divided by du d divided by dx f of d divided by dx f of x plus g of x is equals to d divided by dx limit x tends to 0 g of x plus g of x. Derivative of hyperbolic functions of sin r is equals to sin r is equals to d divided by dx sin x dx is equals to minus cos x dx. Integration rule intergrowth d 1 plus c intergrowth a dx is equals to a d plus ax plus c. Intergrowth sin x dx is equals to cos x dx. Hyperbolic functions integration hyperbolic functions sin of theta sin dx sin hx into cos hy. Thank you.
My name is Yug. I am reading grade 5th B in Sri Chaitanya Techno School, Branch Palwa. Now I will recite formulas applied mathematics. Sin 90 degree minus theta is equals to cos theta. Cos 90 degree minus theta is equals to sin theta. Tan 90 is equals to cot theta. Cot 90 degree minus theta is equals to sec. Sec 90 degree minus theta is equals to cosec theta. Cosec 90 degree minus theta is equals to sec theta. Thank you.
My name is Arshia. I am from grade 5th A. Today I will recite formulas of pure mathematics part B. Associative property of addition a plus whole of b plus c is equals to whole of a plus b plus c. Associative property of subtraction a minus whole of b minus c is not equals to whole of a minus b minus c. Associative property of multiplication a into whole of b into c is equals to whole of a into b into c. Associative property of division a divided by whole of b divided by c is not equals to whole of a divided by b divided by c. Complex number Pythagorean triplex a square plus b square is equals to c square. Thank you.